Welcome to Da Nang and welcome to the sunset time of Da Nang. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's getting still hot here, but when the sun goes down, it is okay-ish. It is okay. The meditation group is over there. What did you say today, Marcus? Our German friend, our German female friend, gets approached at the beach all the time?
Yeah.
Very interesting.
She said it's quite often.
Yeah. Now here we saw it again. I think if you're a lonely female person, just go to the beach and wait.
Just wait a couple seconds.
Yeah. It is so much nicer when the sun goes down and there's a nice breeze here. It's absolutely beautiful. Immaculate.
Well, you see, you have these paragliding, parachutes.
Parasailing.
Yeah.
I think it's sailing when it's on the sea. Parasailing. Well, let me know in the comments, guys.
Yeah, because we are dumb and dumber.
Dumb and Dumber, yeah. The Ban Bao guy is not driving around, he's just staying there at the corner, waiting for people who need a little snack on the way home from the beach. Construction is going on now here. I'm really wondering what's gonna be there. They should have a beach club there, something like that. Maybe we need a beach club.
What we need first is a coffee spot.
A coffee spot, yes.
What is this?
Oh, maybe it's a changing thing. You can change in there. At least that's what I believe. It's very relaxed here. It's the Caribou truck. They also sell coconuts. What I really enjoyed was being on top of the one container cafe where we just started the video. Go all the way back. We started the video there, and this is actually very nice up there. A nice breeze when the sun is gone, 100%, but it's like also 30,000 or 40,000 dong for coconut on the beach, on top of this container. The beaches are getting way more full when the sun is down. The locals also coming in. Yeah.
Yes,
Marcus, look at this.
This is the shit.
Oh, look at this. Marcus is a good German.
It's a good
He's recycling.
citizen of Vietnam.
He's recycling.
Exactly.
You need more people like Marcus.
They have a lot of volleyball players here.
Yeah, that's true. And there are many volleyball nets all over the beach. They're always packed. If you want to be alone, you gotta play in the heat, in the summer, in the sun. This looks so nice, yeah. They did a great job of that one.
Is it wire?
Huh?
Wire or plastic?
I think it's wood, right? We have to do the banana boat, man.
Then we should film it.
How can we do it in a entertaining way for YouTube? I don't know.
You need a cameraman.
It's not fun if you're not on it, right? I've never done it actually in my life. Have you?
No.
No?
Oh, let me think about it.
I've never been on a banana boat. I'm like, I'm not a moron.
No, it's. I've been there once in the Philippines,
Oh.
and I was so fast.
So the fast part is with the boat, and then the slower part is you go back with the jet ski. Looks pretty safe though.
Yeah.
No one fall off. It's pretty pathetic. It's a bad driver.
You have to go
then.
all in.
He needs to like
Yeah.
hard. It's a pretty safe banana boat. Yeah. Boring. I want to go to this coconut farm boats thingy in Hoi An, where they do this show.
Oh,
You know?
they do
Yeah.
these circles, like-
Yeah, that would be great for a video. He's sniffing. This grass looks so good. I mean, there are some patches there, but I think they're taking care of it now.
You know what I like about this beach bar?
Yeah.
It's not playing music.
Oh yeah. And even if they're playing it, it's not that loud. It's very nice. That's a little bit an issue with some places here. They're loud music, you know. They're like, oh, loud music equals more customers. But yeah. No thanks. Maybe we're just old. I think we're just old grumpy man.
We are vacation Grinch.
And this is the Mian beach here now. So before that, it was the Mike beach. And now we are at the Mian beach. Marcus is cleaning up his Crocs. My God, he will never get a wife. What?
Now my shoes is full of sand.
Not that good,
No.
the Crocs, huh?
They're the best.
Yeah.
đảm bảo thực hiện đúng nội quy tại
You
bãi
need
biển.
adventure
Để
Crocs.
du khách đang tham quan dạo chơi thư giãn trên bãi biển không
Off-road
được trả phạt,
Crocs.
tổ chức ăn uống xả rác tại bãi biển, nghiêm cấm hoạt động cho thuê hoặc sử dụng loa di động, thường gọi loa quảng cáo để phát nhạc gây mất an ninh trật tự, vệ sinh môi trường tại khu vực bãi biển. Các trường hợp vi phạm nội quy bãi biển không chấp hành khuyến cáo nhắc nhở của nhân viên làm nhiệm vụ. Căn cứ theo Nghị định 45 năm 2022 của Chính phủ về bảo vệ môi trường hay công cộng sẽ bị xử phạt.
This is fancy beach club.
Yeah. Nice. TMS Hotel. I think it's number 2 of the hotels here in this area. But I had never tried out breakfast. Still have to do this.
Wow, look at this. The first time I see these cleaning.
Oh, yes. They're cleaning the Aden Hotel. And it looks like Sugar Daddy is open again. You see this? All those stands. It seems like it's getting prepared. That was actually my favorite place to sunbathe back in the days here. Back in the days, I mean 2.5 years ago, or 3. Here, there were like sunbaths, and if you come here at 9 a.m., no one is there. And they start at 11, so you have basically just until 11, no fees.
That's nice.
And they were nicer than the ones on this other side. Let's check out the night market, what's going on there now. I feel like something is missing in there still. Something is missing in there. It also looks like not done. It's not that inviting in my opinion, right?
Yeah, I wanted to say it do not look like inviting. It's just you want to go there because of maybe you missed something out.
Yeah. It just looks like a big blob.
Maybe they need more lights.
They have something. Hello Da Nang. Indian food. Okay. That's not what I want to have in a night market. So what does it say? Hello Da Nang Bar and Restaurant.
There's no big sign or just an air balloon who says.
Like
"Hey,
this
come
is
to
still from New Year, right?
Yeah, that's true.
I mean, that does not make sense. They should say, this is the best and most immaculate, tremendous and splendid night market on planet Earth. Visit us or die in hell.
You know what? Probably what they did wrong.
They need
is-
marketing. Let's talk to the owners here. They need marketing. Let's take them at the hand and get some marketing going on. This looks just not okay. Antung Night Market. So obviously it's not night yet. So it's, yeah. As you can see here, this is also not running yet. And even,
Is it even open?
yeah, you see, this is like, they have something going on there. It's just a little bit too random, everything, you know? Yeah.
But again, they have a lot of like little
But they have here
designer shops.
designer shops. Hi.
With the beautiful girl. Designer shop with the beautiful girl.
It's true.
Okay. Hello.
Như là chai blue.
Yeah, so as I heard, the only selling point is being beautiful. It's very interesting again, Marcus, right?
Yeah,
Instead
but
of
she was
having,
pretty.
yeah, but
So-
still, like this is the selling point, right?
Yeah.
Not the
And
shop.
here it's also selling point.
Yeah. Yeah, I thought that would be done by May. But I feel like there are some smart people missing in there. You know, like good business. Good business. Someone who's doing already good business here.
We should take over.
Maybe the guy, you know the Vietnamese guy who owns all the pork belly banh mi's, the best ones. This dude has like 5 or 6 shops all around Da Nang. He should just open one there, and zimzarabim, this whole place gonna be. They should actually go to him and say, hey, we're just gonna charge you that amount of money for rent.
Yes.
Just bring your pork belly here, and people will pull up here. They will pull up because they know it's good. Or anyone here in the city who's selling very well.
Banh mi.
Banh mi, yeah. Why not? They opened up one store, but in the Chao Tivente Street, which is not a smart move in my opinion, because it's a foreigner. It's a Western banh mi. I don't think I never seen locals in there. My wife don't like it, so it's just like a sandwich. It's like a Cali sandwich, but everyone likes it, including us. We like it. It's good. The US dollar is good.
26 won.
26 won. That's pretty interesting.
Just the euro is losing grip.
Yeah. J Market. Oh, sorry, Marcus. I'm walking towards you.
Ah, no problem. I'm used to it.
Puppies. I think Puppies is working well nowadays.
And look at the reservations. The board.
Yeah.
They're full.
Yeah.
It looks like.
I like Puppies. But I only eat one thing there. If they would not have the thing, I would not eat there. But I think it's good. Like you ate some pizzas there, or other friends.
No, the quality is good.
Yeah. It's very stable.
Oh, look at this. The Korean barbecue. They renovated it. You
Yeah.
see?
Oh,
they have a
they-
new billboard. And
Yeah, so this one has a new floor. Pretty interesting. I think they're pretty successful as well. And there's a mysterious little stand over there. I'm wondering how that will go. Because both cafes sell banh mi's, so what are they selling in there? Interesting. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and check out this video for more. See you in the next one.